Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to get your GitHub profile link. So let's get started. First, log into your GitHub account. If you're already signed in, you're ready to go. Once you're on your GitHub dashboard, click on Create a Repository. This will take you to the repository creation page where you need to set up your repository. Here, enter a repository name, add a brief description, and set the privacy to either public or private, depending on your preference. After that, click on Create Repository. Once the repository is created, you'll be redirected to a new page displaying various codes. Here, you will find your GitHub profile link, which you can use for sharing. Simply copy the link and paste it wherever needed, whether on websites, portfolios, or social media. And that's it. That's how you can quickly get your GitHub profile link. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.